Well, what was the real reason that you turned the temperature down on there for?
Down? Turn it down, turn it up.
No, you changed these.
Yep.
And then you took a picture of it with it like that, and then you turned it back.
No.
I'm just wondering why you did that.
Yeah. Yeah, this module's definitely bad. Cool.